Welcome to R&DW Adventures. I'm Darryl.
And I'm Renee.
And we're here today to try another free Wisconsin Dells feature, which is the Riverwalk. So this is about a quarter-mile walk from end to end. It starts or ends, depending on how you look at it, near the Upper Dell boat tours.
So along the Riverwalk, there's a lot of interpretive signs that give a little bit of history of the Wisconsin Dells. It's pretty cool.
Those interpretive signs are very cool, including we learned that the city was called Kilbourne before it was the Wisconsin Dells. So it's about a half an hour walk.
And it's interesting.
End to end and back. So definitely doable, but there are some spots to stop along the way with some picnic tables. There's some businesses along the way, but the scenery is nice. It's not as nice as doing the boat tours, but it's nice and definitely worth checking out.
And you could even find some geocaches along the Riverwalk. So the park we're in right now is still currently under development. This whole thing is still a work in progress. It's pretty cool, but I am looking forward to coming back another time to see its progress.
Definitely, but that is going to do it for this adventure. Definitely a nice free thing to do along the Wisconsin Dells. Check the rest of our channel though, we've got a bunch more videos over there. All kinds of stuff, not just this travel thing, but we do have another video that we're going to throw in the opposite corner. So if you like this kind of stuff, check that out and see what we've got there too.